Hello, everyone. So first of all, I want to say thank you for taking time out of your day to attend this open house. My name is Arya. I'm a level 2 student, also known as grade 10. And so I actually joined the school in grade 8, so 2 years ago. I was in the same exact predicament as everyone else here. So I'll be going over 3 reasons why I chose the school and I think it was the right fit for me, starting off with the community at La Citadel. So first of all, the teachers, as Madame Muriel mentioned before, we offer support both prior to school, after school through academic support, and even sometimes during breaks. And of course, teach with a high level of attention and care, and they motivate students, including myself, to keep going and to try to do our best to achieve whatever our goals are. And so in addition to that, we also have various events and social events, which is my next point in how as students, we get to organize various events, like part of the student council, the PSC, the parent student committee. For instance, last month we had the Toronto Science Fair, which 8 projects were nominated to participate in the next stage in Toronto, 7 of which managed to win various medals. And in addition to that, we have various social events which are organized by the student council. We have our semi-formal, which is another opportunity for students in the secondary panel, to get to know one another and to socialize and essentially celebrate after working hard. And another point is the diversity of courses that are offered. So La Citadel is inclusive for everyone in the sense that it offers courses not only in the academics, but also focus on the arts, the athletics, since we have a gym here, for instance. And so this really, as a student who's yet to actually choose his future career path, this motivates me knowing that whatever I choose at the end, the school is supporting me and helping me in my future endeavors. And so just to conclude, I want to thank everyone once again for attending this open house, and I hope I was able to give a brief insight into life as a student in the secondary panel at La Citadel. So thank you.